In the repair kits for game consoles and controllers, we set a goal to replace the socket or joystick parts with just an ordinary soldering iron. The highlight is the copper heating plate included in the box. It heats the socket or joystick on the back of the PCB, melting all the solder joints simultaneously, removing the problem part all at once. The first is the heating plate for HDMI port of PS5, Xbox Series X, and Xbox Series S. The second is for the USB Type-A port at the rear of PS5. The third is for the USB Type-A and C port at the front of PS5. The fourth is for the USB Type-C port of PS5 DualSense controller. The fifth is for the LB and RB tactile button of Xbox controllers. The three are the heating plates for joysticks. They come in 3 different dimensions. The most common type, Uni A, rare Uni B, and the biggest for old Xbox 360 and PS2. Let's see what's in the box. 4. Replacement USB-C ports for DualSense controller. The heating plate. Solder paste. Solder remover wire. Solid copper wire. I'm demonstrating on this demo board. The heating plate heats the part on the back of the PCB. Support the PCB firmly on the desk. Set the temp slightly higher than normal at 320 to 350 degrees. The solder iron shall be more than 60 watt and with a big tip. Apply some flux on both front and back soldering joints. Put on the heating plate. Add some solder and heat it up. The part is loose. Remove it gently. Do not pull it hard. If you fail to desolder with the heating plate, alternatively, you can desolder it off with the copper wire by heating all the pins together. Bend and shape the wire to fit the part. Add a lot of solder. Finally, it was removed. Remove the solder in the via. Apply some flux. The red stranded wire performs better than typical desoldering wire. Put on the new port. Make sure the port is aligned with the PCB. Solder the fixing prongs. Apply a thin layer of solder paste, never too much. Solder it with a small knife tip. Paste some flux and tin on the wire. Wipe away excess solder. Thoroughly check the pins with magnifying glass or phone camera. Make sure there's no short connection.